Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prachko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about journaling, goal setting, and spirituality. Today, it's time for the private monthly spirituality journaling prompt. In today's prompt, we'll be talking about how to see the bigger picture. This writing prompt is inspired by the Three of Wands tarot card from the Rider-Waite deck, which you can find linked down below. This card represents movement progression. From a high vantage point, you can see all that lies ahead, including upcoming challenges and opportunities. A calm, stately figure with its back turned is looking from a cliff's edge at ships passing over the sea. 3 wands are planted in the ground, and he's leaned slightly on one of them. This figure represents strength, enterprise, effort, trade, commerce, discovery, movement, and progression. From a high vantage point, they can see all that lies ahead, including upcoming challenges and opportunities. Sometimes we find ourselves too close to a situation that we're in and unable to see the bigger picture. When this happens, or when we're stressed and overwhelmed, it's important to look at the situation from higher ground. Look back at your situation for progress and wiggle room for improving or pivoting. Now is also the time to look for challenges and upcoming opportunities. Finally, look beyond your limitations and dream bigger than you would normally allow yourself to. Push yourself to grow and expand. What situation are you currently in that needs to be seen from higher ground? Where have you made progress? Where is there room for a smidge of improvement? What challenges are you about to face or might face? What is one change that you're going to make to enable you to dream bigger this time? Now let's get into my journal for my answer to the exact same journaling prompt. My anxiety and ability to stay calm and not panic is the situation that I need to see from higher ground. I've made real progress recently with new coping strategies that are stimulation-based and learned new communication tactics that have made immediate progress. I'm going to improve my emotional sponge boundaries more and remind myself that I can wring out their emotions if I accidentally soak them up in the moment. The upcoming holidays are going to put stress on our communication and anxiety, mostly because of travel and uncommunicated expectations. I'm going to dream of big, calm situations by asking what everyone's expectations are for the situation. So, what was your answer to this month's prompt? If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts, then check out my book, A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting. 365 Mindfulness Journal Prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them. The link is in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video to grow the Owls Indigo tribe. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!